Part 2 on making a cursor. Part 1, I showed you how to do this. Second step, this is part 2. So you do this. Say that. So like that inside the cursor. This is the fourth step. How to do that? I'm gonna show you in that part 3, but today we're gonna show you this, like this. And part 3, okay? Wait, go to part 3.